It's a good morning from us. Look at those big ears stick up. It's a good morning from us. Today we're going to go through a little bit of L'Oreal, Klara Cosmetics, Ardell eyelashes. Look at those little beauties. Alright, morning everybody. Top of the good morning to you. Today we are going through a little bit of well, the main feature I think was the L'Oreal sculpting kit. I really liked it. It's come out very well. Some Ardell eyelashes, which is new for me. I normally always go for the Kiss blowout one, so these are very, very lavish. Yeah, if you want to see more, you know what to do. Top of the good morning to you. How are you today? It's been a hot minute since I've been here, but as you can see, I've been at it again. I'm going to change my room around. I'm back in the big pink chair. This beautiful big sunflower that hubby bought me. Bit of colour to the room. Let's get into the video. So, coming in with a highlight now, and it's going to come down. This is a cream to powder formula, and it's first impressions because I've not used it before. And guys, I'm really happy with the way that's looked so far. So, just coming in with a little Nude by Nature brush. I'm just going to pop in underneath that contour. With. Normally measure it out that it comes down to the corner of the mouth. Coming in at this stage with a little bit of setting spray by Designer Brands, and it's Mist Me, Mist Me setting spray Petal Power. It's quite cute, Mist Me. Smells gorgeous. And a very good spritzer, so come in with my hoopty doopty little fan from hubby that goes 100 miles an hour. Tell you what, it's fantastic, it dries it within seconds. There you go, coming in now with my latest fave at the moment, McOBeauty. We start off softly, we can always build up, so I used to go in like a bull out of a gate. Always add more, and we can always blend. Okay guys, pretty happy with that. Let's blend it over. Now for some shimmer. Alright, so I'm just going to swatch those 3 colours, or 4 colours I should say. So, look at that, it's just gorgeous. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful colours. All of them. Look at that one. Okay. I think number 4 wins. Alrighty, so we're going with this one here. Bottom, middle. And I'm just going to apply it with my fingers. It goes on well. My goodness. I don't know if you can see what I can see. Crazy pretty, I tell ya. Have a gander at that. Can you see that? Wow. That is just, no pun intended, that is just gold. Wow. McOBeauty, seriously, an awesome little palette. It's the Peachy Nudes palette and it's just fantastic, I love it. I really love it. Very, very pretty. Alright, I was just testing out to see whether I'm going to need to trim these eyelashes down. They are phenomenal. Have a look at the babies. So it doesn't look like they need trimming. Normally I have to trim them, so let's get into it. A lot of people apply them with tweezers. I can't get them to go on that way. I'll end up poking my eyeball out, I think. Wow. They're specky. I like them. So Ardell Remy lashes. I like a lot actually. Coming in now with Kim Kardashian liner. Beautiful, and coming in now with that Klara Cosmetics lipstick. Beautiful colour, but very matte, so I'll probably come in with a bit of a lip gloss. Just gonna scoot on in here. So I've come in with the colour 03 in the Klara Cosmetics. Beautiful colour, just a little bit matte. So I'm going to come in with the Kim Kardashian Radiate. A little bit more of a ombre kind of look. Alright, that pretty much finishes off for the day, guys and girls. Alright guys, so a few standouts today. The L'Oreal Highlight and Sculpting Kit. I really like it. I really like it. So I'll be using that a little bit more and test it out. Oh look, the McOBeauty little palette. I absolutely adore it. It's just gorgeous. And I really love this Klara Cosmetics lipstick. Topped up with a bit of KKW. Alright everybody. Thanks for tuning in, as always, because you're all legends. Please take care of you, and I will catch you again soon. Mwah!